Integers are positive and negative numbers, so I need to see if I can think of any two positive or negative numbers that can be added up and give an answer that is not a positive or negative number. Now, that's kind of hard to do because there's not an example of any integer plus another integer that makes a number or an answer that's not an integer. So I'm going to have to say that this is closed under the operation of addition, just because I can't think of a counter example of an integer plus an integer that does not equal an integer. Subtraction will go the same way. Since integers include negatives, usually I can prove in subtraction that the set is not closed because I can get a negative number. But for integers, it's okay to get a negative number. This is still an integer, so integers are also closed under the operation of subtraction. For multiplication, when I multiply any two integers together, as long as they still make an integer, it's closed. And there's no two integers that I can think of that would multiply together to make an answer that's not an integer. So again, it's closed. Division is usually the easiest one to prove that is not closed. So if I have the integer of 5 and I divide it by 7, that makes 5 over 7, which is rational, which is not an integer. Therefore, it is not closed under division.